salewela iJordani asathola amandla umbuso wesiZulu suluwelileke iJordani la. So isisukile energy yakho uma nje yanqamula la kwi-solar plexus yaya lapha umnqobile uGoliath welile iJordani uyapi embusweni wezulu phezulu kwi-third eye ku-pineal gland, that is where your consciousness sits. Athi umbhali ngimbonile uGod, the place is called pineal, there khuphukele entabeni phezulu. By the way, this is part 4 of the survival mode and ngicabanga ukuyivala la part 4 ngabe ngisaqhubeka bengingayiqhubeka ibe part 5 part 6 part 7 but no, I just decided to stop it there. Bengingadlali ke njalo ngale ndaba ka0 bengingadlali. I assume and reclaim ukuthi abantu abasabone ivideo yami abantu abangenayo inamba ka0 because phela mina ngisupport ngokusho nje engifuna ukusupporta la ngokwenza ukuthi siyofela khona samadela ufa. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Well ke ngeke ngikhulume ke kabanzi manje la sikhulumile energy yakho mayela ukuthi kwenzakalani, what is happening, why they do this, yabo. Angithi manje uyaluwela ke iJordani iyasuka i-energy la ezansi la i-tight ke khona iya lapha kwi-heart, yabo, kwi-heart center or kwi-heart chakra lana kuhlala yo magnetic monopole la. This magnetic monopole is a force, a force and a driver of your life that is leading you to the correct trajectory of your life, to the correct trajectory of your life, yabo. This is a geometric pattern. Impilo yakho is a geometry because there is a pattern that it follows, yabo. So the magnetic monopole is the pole that is only having one pole, so it's directing you there and there. Your mind is a passenger, your magnetic monopole is a driver. So kuhlala yona ke la. This magnetic monopole is in everything that is there. Yonke into oyibonayo, yonke into oyibonayo nongayiboni, khona oyibonayo nongayiboni, kune magnetic monopole inaleyo force that holds everything together. Remember, everything emanated from one thing, and it scattered like that, but kukona kukonke there's this one force, actually magnetic monopole, and it binds us together. There is love here. So if your energy is there, now you start to develop self-love, loving yourself. When you love yourself, you will see people, they will love you too. They love you because people cannot give you what you have never given yourself. So because this thing is an internal job, yabo, inside job. You love yourself, you start to see people loving you, and then you love them back. That's how it goes. So you also remember, no man, I am everything, most. Yeah? I am everything because I am this form. Everything is me in a different form, yabo. So you understand now, ngeke bekwazi ukusikhatha nokwenza izimpi zemhlaba kube khona ima-tribal ngayibiza ligama, kube khona izimpi zemhlaba, kube khona kuhlukana ngokweinhlanga nani ngobani mase energy yethu isila sivele sibe nothando but singakonfuse ke nama boundaries ukuthi nginothando. I know that I am you, we belong together and all of those things. It doesn't mean ukuthi ama boundaries ngeke azabe khona to protect me and my energy. I'll make boundaries nokuthi accept and tolerate, yabo. So singayimix lezo zinto, and lezo zinto lezo izinto ezila kwi truth chakra, yabo. Mayisila energy yakho, now you speak truth. Now awusanqeni ukusho ukuthi mfethu uyangixoba la lo u1 no2 no3 no4 ngicela ukuthi uyeke bese sikwazi ukuqhubeka emva lokho futhi it's business as usual. Iqiniso usahlala phe kwalo ngobani abantu bazi ukuthi iqiniso vele liyalambisa, akekho ufuna ukubonakala emnalo, wonke umuntu uyalibalekela kodwa amanga yasuthisa. That is what is happening here, yabo. So manje mayisila uyakwazi ukulimela iqiniso to the extent ukuthi I can just be buried and be unalived for speaking truth. I don't even care, yabo. You start vibrating high, your level of consciousness is rising higher. Kwincwadi le ekuthiwa the power of the subconscious mind. Kune scale of consciousness lapho i-energy isuka ezansi ko grief, apathy, shame, inyuke njalo izoko anger, pride, yabo, inyuke izifike kubani ku level 200. Level 200 ke i-courage. Kusho lapho usuqalile ke energy yakho u200 cycles per second. Kusho this is energy. So it's an upward spiral. Masuko courage khona okunye okungaphezulu courage to acceptance kanjalo. Kusho that is the frequency of your life. By the time you are going up the scale, your life becomes better and better and better. So this is what is happening within you. This is the scale of consciousness. This is within you, up your spine. This is the sushumna, the center where your energy goes. Yabo? This is the main channel. Yabo? So this is what you are here to experience, this central nervous system. That is the tree of what? The tree of knowledge. So if your energy is going down, bona into abayenzayo laba onqiwa nkulu bafuna energy yakho it go down. They put you in fear. They put you in fear is the powerful weapon that they use. Banicasule, banivalela amanzi, banifake load shedding, bafuna nicasuke nje because ma umuntu elokho enza into ecikayo ecasukelayo, lo muntu uyakucontrola ufuna ukuthi energy yakho ibe lapha ezansi kwi-anger so that you're gonna attract more and more of those things and then you don't escape that matrix yabo le, yabo. So you depend on them for survival. So that is why they keep on doing these things. It is intentional. And then indaba bakutshela zona ubheka ukuthi isiphi state ezikubeka kusona amabomu lawo, they try to bring your energy down there. Ubheka ukuthi indaba ungafocus endabeni ezibhedayo, focus endabeni the success stories. Intentionally, life is delulu, be delusional, yabo. Focus on positive things because your ARS, your automatic reticular system, will shut down all the negatives and open the other side. Yabo? So your life will start to change. Mayise la ukhuluma iqiniso ke. Yabona ke mase ukhuluma iqiniso. Iqiniso ke iyona into vele leyo nayo engasi unite ngokwayo iqiniso. And standing within by the truth every time. Uyimele into yakho. Uze la mayise energy yakho inyuka kanjalo iza lapha ya ku third eye. Third eye ke lapha, this is the spiritual antenna. It's linked within a pineal gland. The pineal gland, that is the father. The pituitary gland, that is the mother. So your pineal gland is the seat of consciousness, ne? That is where the consciousness sits. So ugibele entabeni ke lokho ke eBhayibhelini makusokukhulunywa ukugibela entabeni abantu bavele becabanga intaba ngaso sonke isikhathi. Intaba represents exactly what I'm talking about. You go up the ladder, yabo. The winding stairs ekukhulunywa ngawo still in the Bible. These things are within you. So now your energy is up there. Now so concerned nge-purpose, amaphupho akho yaqala, amaphupho, your dreams mawulele usiyawakhumbula asene-meaning, usune-intuition correct nje, usuvele nje uze ukuthi nje enza into ewukuthi uthi uyadiscover hawu kanti that is why kade ngicabanga ukwenza into ewukuthi kanti ingoba bekuzowenza. Now we are guided, now we are taking correct choices. So now we are not even concerned about these nasty things. You can even fast now because you can't fast if your energy is down there because you are concerned with food. And if you are fasting, the whole energy comes to your brain. Yabo, your brain is having that efficacy and lot of energy coming to it. Yabo, because I consume my digestive system. So now this has to do with the extrasensory perception. Usuzwa beyond ukuzwa ngendlebe, usubona beyond ukubona ngamehlo. You clear audience, clear avoyance, clear cognizance, ama-clairs, sixth sense iyavuleka la. Usubona ngolika moyo, uyadownload manje, download izinto from the quantum. Uyibone izinto zibe imbono, uyikhulume lezi zinto, ukhuluma izinto before zenzeka. Abanye abantu bazenza lezi zinto lezi unconsciously, yabo. Isiya lapha energy yakho. Hawu, usilaphana usu-connected with the divine. Yabo, usu-connected with the divine la. And that is why ngithe baphambana nenhlanhla nje energy mayila because it's like they are cut from the internet. Masu isikwila phezulu energy yakho kushuthi usune internet access manje, usuku internet web manje. Angithi ukubona mungenama data kwenzakalani. Once wanama data ufune update, bakwenzakalani ngingekho. So that's it. Sengishawe isikhathi. Bye bye.